This video will walk you through installing a printed banner into a premium level retractable banner stand with a hook and loop leader. In addition to the hardware, you will need a printed graphic trimmed to size and a weighted object to help keep the banner from unraveling. Every individually boxed unit comes with one base, one top bar with removable end caps, one support pole, a carry bag, and 2 lengths of loop fastener. Begin installation by removing the plastic end caps from the clamp top bar. Open the clamp bar and fully insert the top of the graphic with the printed side face up. Ensure your banner is inserted into the correct side of the clamp bar and that the graphic is bottomed out in the back of the channel. Begin to press the clamp bar closed. Doing so slowly and evenly will ensure a smooth application without creating any wrinkles in the graphic. Once the clamp bar is closed completely, place the plastic end caps back onto the clamp bar. If the end caps do not fit on properly, the clamp bar may not be fully closed. Roll the clamp bar into the media to prep for easy installation into the base. Next, we'll attach the length of loop fastener to the back of the printed graphic. Align the loop fastener with the bottom of the graphic. Peel back a small portion of the liner and apply pressure. As you slowly peel back the remaining liner, keep the bottom of the graphic and the loop fastener aligned. Once complete, trim any excess of the loop fastener that remains. Apply pressure along the point of contact to ensure the adhesive bonds sufficiently to the surface on the back of the graphic. Clean hands or white gloves are recommended to ensure no fingerprints or oils are transferred to the printed graphic. With the print side facing up, align the bottom of the graphic over the leader of the base. Apply pressure to secure the hook and loop to each other. Remove the right end cap. To remove the end cap, place your fingertips underneath the base, grip the edge of the end cap, pull down and out. To activate the retractable mechanism, tightly grip the banner with one hand and remove the locking pin from the side of the base. Immediately upon removal, the banner will want to retract back into the base. Carefully and slowly allow the banner to retract into the base, keeping an even distance from the edge on both sides. You can control the speed of the retraction by holding the base with your palms and the banner with your fingertips. The locking pin you previously removed can be stored inside the end cap. Reattach the end cap to complete the look. Double check that the mechanism is working properly by pulling the banner in and out a few times. The banner should come out smoothly and retract into the base easily. And that's it. Check out the rest of our installation and setup tutorials available at our YouTube page.